Hey everyone, let's talk about something massive and incredibly powerful, the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. These aren't just any ships, they're nuclear-powered floating air bases used by the United States Navy. The class is named after Fleet Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, a key figure in the Pacific during World War II. Admiral Nimitz was actually the last living U.S. Navy officer to hold that prestigious rank. These carriers held the record for being the largest warships ever built, until the USS Gerald R. Ford came along. Imagine a ship over 1,092 feet long, that's longer than 3 football fields end-to-end. At full load, they displace over 100,000 long tons, which is equivalent to the weight of over 500 statues of liberty. What makes these carriers truly unique is their nuclear propulsion system. Instead of gas turbines or diesel engines, they use 2A4W nuclear pressurized water reactors. These reactors generate steam, which powers steam turbines. These turbines then drive 4 massive propeller shafts that propel the ship through the water. This system allows for a maximum speed of over 30 knots, which translates to roughly 35 miles per hour. The reactors can generate a maximum power of around 260,000 shaft horsepower. The nuclear power source provides a remarkable advantage: the ships can operate for over 20 years without needing to refuel. That's 2 decades of continuous operation without stopping to replenish fuel. The expected service life of a Nimitz-class carrier is over 50 years. These ships are categorized as nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, designated with the hull numbers CVN 68 through CVN 77. All 10 Nimitz-class carriers were built by the Newport News Shipbuilding Company in Virginia. The lead ship, USS Nimitz, was commissioned on May 3, 1975. The 10th and last ship of the class, USS George H.W. Bush, was commissioned on January 10, 2009. Since the 1970s, these carriers have been involved in numerous conflicts and operations worldwide. This includes Operation Eagle Claw in Iran, a daring but ultimately unsuccessful rescue attempt. They played a vital role in the Gulf War, projecting air power across the region. More recently, they have been deployed in support of operations in Iraq and Afghanistan. The flight decks are angled, which allows for simultaneous launching and recovery of aircraft. They use a catabar system, catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery. Steam catapults are used to launch aircraft at high speeds. Arrestor wires catch the landing aircraft, bringing them to a stop quickly and safely. This catabar system enables a wider variety of aircraft to operate from the carrier. Smaller carriers often use a stable arrangement, short takeoff and vertical landing. A typical embarked carrier air wing consists of around 64 aircraft. These aircraft include strike fighters, early warning aircraft, helicopters, and electronic warfare planes. The primary strike fighters are the F divided by a -18E and F divided by a -18F Super Hornets. These versatile aircraft can perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. In addition to their aircraft, the carriers are equipped with short-range defensive weaponry. These systems are designed to protect the carrier from air and missile threats. This includes anti-aircraft guns and missile defense systems. The Nimitz-class carriers have undergone several upgrades and modernizations throughout their service lives. These upgrades have improved their combat capabilities and extended their operational lifespans. The original design displacement was 87,000 long tons. However, as more equipment was added during overhauls, the loaded displacement increased. Eventually, the loaded displacement exceeded 100,000 long tons. The beam of the ship is 252 feet overall. The beam at the waterline is 134 feet. The draft, or the depth of the ship below the waterline, is 37 feet. Individual ships have slight variations in their dimensions due to modifications and upgrades. The immense size of these ships allows them to carry vast quantities of fuel, ammunition, and supplies. This logistical capability is essential for sustained operations at sea. The ships also have extensive medical facilities, including operating rooms and dental clinics. This ensures that the crew has access to necessary healthcare while deployed. The crew of a Nimitz-class carrier typically numbers around 5,000 personnel. This includes sailors, pilots, and aviation support staff. Life on board can be challenging, but it offers unique opportunities for training and advancement. The cost of building a Nimitz-class carrier was substantial. The unit cost was about $8.5 billion in 2012 dollars. Adjusted for inflation, that's equal to about $11.4 billion in 2024. This makes them some of the most expensive military assets in the world. Despite their age, the Nimitz-class carriers remain a vital component of U.S. naval power. They provide a flexible and mobile platform for projecting military force around the globe. The Nimitz-class represents an amazing feat of engineering and continues to serve as a symbol of American power and technological prowess.